Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make Til Gul Ladoos. This is traditional sweet which is made out of roasted semolina and jaggery, and this is prepared during the time of Makar Sankranti festival in India during January. First up, dry roast the sesame seeds in a pan on a medium-high heat. Roast the sesame seeds till they are light golden brown in color and starts giving out a little aroma and little crunchy. This will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Once done, let it cool down and set aside. Next, heat a wok and add clarified butter or ghee to it. When it is melted, add the jaggery to it. Now keep stirring it until it's melted nicely. Simmer over a slow flame till it caramelizes to form a thick syrup. To test if the syrup is done, drop a little into a bowl of chilled water, and if it hardens enough and forms a ball, the syrup is ready. And if it is not, cook for some more time and test again. Once the syrup is ready, add the roasted sesame seeds and peanuts and mix it thoroughly with the melted jaggery. You may need to put off the flame at this point of time. Keep mixing it until the sesame seeds, peanuts are nicely combined and coated with the syrup. Now once the mixture is ready, keep it aside. Now grease your palms, and when the mixture is still hot but warm enough to handle, take a tablespoonful mixture in your hand to form a small ball-sized lumps. Roll it between your palms until they are round enough and smooth. Now lay it on a greased plate and let it cool down. Repeat this procedure for all the mixture this way. The ladoos will soon harden once they come down to room temperature. You can store them in airtight container for around 2 weeks. And my perfectly round shaped Til Gul Ladoos are ready. As you can see, they look quite delicious and crunchy also. You can make them in advance and just put it in any airtight container, and it's perfect for large kind of gatherings and parties. Here I've used some peanuts, and if you want a richer option, you can put any other dry nuts of your choice. And it is also a very good option during the time of winters, as it has got sesame seeds and jaggery in it. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know. I enjoy replying to your feedbacks. You can also connect with me on Facebook. The link to my page is in the description. It's me, Kanak, signing off. Bye bye.